So this is it. You've just seen the long-awaited 2N Access Unit M in detail. We hope that you like it. And now I would like to welcome Lukáš Psota, our Product Marketing Manager.
Hello.
Hello, Lukáš. I have a question.
Tell me.
We actually have a wide range of access units. Why did we come up with a new one?
Simply said, Stepanka, we just want to help our customer to win even more access control projects.
Sounds great. I will leave it to it.
So thank you and hello everyone. Did you like the video? I did, and not only the video. What I am really excited about is the product itself. And today, it's my pleasure to share with you all the benefits of this brand new reader. Specifically, I will tell you what was the reason behind the development of this unit. I'm going to share with you also the details about the product, and I will highlight the main benefits for you. And last not least, I will show you also some use cases where and how you can install the reader. The development of the product was driven by the real request from the market, from you. Even though we have Access Unit 2.0 in the portfolio, we were often asked by you for the reader with more compact form factor. I would say the one which is almost a standard on the market of the access control today. So we listened to you, and here is the result. 2N Access Unit M in a slimline design, which perfectly fits to the office environment, as you can install it to the door frame. However, it will be handy also on spaces where you are very limited with the space. We focus on the look of the reader. We didn't want to have one of thousands available on the market black plastic readers. We have used the first-class materials and durable ones, which makes your installation stand out. What else? The front panel will be scratch-free and the unit will work smoothly after years of intensive daily use, which is so typical for the office environment. So no more complaints from the customers. What more? The reader has IP55 and IK7 rating, which means it can withstand also outdoor conditions. So if the customer requests outdoor installation, you can place the reader also outside. On one side, we were requested by you for the new design. On the other side, based on the feedback and the survey from the market, we found out that you really like the concept of edge device. It means the combination of reader and controller in one unit. And that's exactly what 2N Access Unit M is. For you, it means you need just one network cable for connection and power of the unit. Furthermore, the door strike can be connected directly to the unit and powered by the unit. So you really do not need any other cabling. For you, it means you will save on labor cost, you can save the material, and the installation is about 30% faster compared to the traditional systems. There is one more advantage of edge device, and that's simple quotation. Now imagine a project where you have 40 doors you need to protect. You need to deliver access control solution for 40 doors. What is the first question in your mind? How many controllers will you use? Where you place them? How many extension boards? What type of cabling will you use? Please stop thinking in this way. It can be so simple. Do you need to protect 40 doors? The only thing you need to quote is 40 pieces of Access Unit M. You do not need any other item. So it's really simple, and the only thing you need to do is to discuss with your customer what type of access technology will they want. Access Unit M is available in 3 variants. The first one is RFID, multi-frequency reader, which helps facility manager smoothly transit to smart cards over time. But for modern office buildings, it's quite usual that customers want or employees want something more convenient. They don't want to have another card for the access control. They would love to use mobile phone. And that's exactly what you can deliver with our access unit combining RFID with Bluetooth together. So in this way, they can simply open the door by touching the reader by hand or by elbow with the phone in the pocket or in the bag. Nothing else is needed. It is super convenient. With our patented mechanism, it's really reliable, and it's even faster than classical RFID cards. You will hear more about this technology later on in the next presentation. The third variant we have is combination of RFID and touch keypad, which is very handy, for example, for highly protected spaces where you need two-factor authentication, or for the use cases where you want to deliver the solution for one-time PIN code access. What is a cherry on the top on this product is our own OS, 2N OS, which makes the reader smart and secure. Smart, from our perspective, means that you are able to integrate the reader with some third-party systems, like Milestone, Genetec, these type of systems. There is one more added value which makes the reader smart, and it's so-called automation section. In this section, you are able to deliver, I would say, unusual advanced access control scenarios to your customer. The example can be if you have door open too long, maybe out of working hours, the reader is able to send HTTP command to security guard, inform them that these specific doors are open, and they can have a pop-up with a video preview on the screen, so they can immediately go to close the door or inform, for example, the receptionist. What makes the reader secure is, again, 2N OS. Thanks to the encrypted communication, intelligent password mechanism, we support also 802.1x protocol, which protects the network, I would say simply, against the hackers. So there are a lot of these type of, I would say, protocols or encrypted ways how you can make the installation really secure. If you will take a look on the ways how you can configure the reader, I have divided into 3 ways. The first one is very simple, and it's mainly for really small installation. If you have 2-3 readers, you can configure them one by one through the web interface of the reader itself. For most use cases, I would say you will use 2N Access Commander. It's a software, professional one, which is suitable mainly for SME, SMB installations. And with this software, you will get also advanced features like time and attendance, or visitor management, or logs supplemented by the pictures from the camera. The third option is very suitable if you decide, for example, to install the reader into the residential segment, maybe to the MDU building. In this way, you can use 2N remote configuration. It's a cloud-based service, part of My 2N portal, which allows you to control and manage the reader remotely through this service. For you, it means you will save time connected with the traveling, and you can offer the immediate, instant assistance to your customer in case they need it. Now, I would like to show you the comparison between the current Access Unit 2.0 and newly launched Access Unit M. I think the first difference is so immediately visible, and it's the design. New Access Unit M is a slimline reader, which is available only in black color. On the other side, Access Unit 2.0 is available in 2 colors, black and silver one, and it has the same design, for example, as our flagship intercom 2N IP Verso. So it perfectly fits together and makes the installation really nice looking. The next way how we can compare this reader is the mounting possibility. As I mentioned, 2N Access Unit M fits perfectly to the door frames. You can install it on wall. On the other side, Access Unit 2.0 can be installed on glass, on wall, or it supports also recessed or so-called flush mount installation. Talking about the modularity, as I call that, Access Unit 2.0 allows you to connect also extensions module to the reader. It can be, for example, Weekend if you want to interconnect it with the existing access control system, or if you want to protect doors from both sides, you can connect a module from IP Verso to this reader. Still, you have one IP edge device controlling doors from both sides. This is not possible with this Access Unit M. So these are the main differences. Now, I'd like to summarize all the key points I have shared with you today. I showed you how easy and quick it is to install and quote the reader. We also mentioned new mobile access control technology, which is so requested by the customers on the market. And I also show you 2N OS, the difference against the competitors, which means a smart and secure reader. All of these together will differentiate you against the competitors, saves your time, and generates new opportunities for you. It means more business and more money. Ladies and gentlemen, if you already know about any access control project, give 2N Access Unit M a chance. You will not regret it. Thank you very much for your attention.
The first launch is over, but the most important moment of today's session is yet to come. In about 20 minutes, we will share with you the future of access control. We will introduce you to our unique patented access control technology. Stay with us.